We'll guide you through how to change the paper size in Google Docs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Google Docs document in your web browser. Once you have it open, look at the top menu and click on File. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you need to select Page Setup. This will open a new window where you can adjust various settings for your document. In the Page Setup window, you'll see an option for paper size. Click on the drop-down menu next to it, and you'll notice a list of different paper sizes like letter, legal, A4, and more. Choose the one that suits your needs. If you're working on something specific, like a presentation or a report, you might want to select a particular size to ensure everything fits perfectly when printed. After selecting the desired paper size, you can decide if you want to apply these changes to just the current document or set it as the default for all new documents. If you want this to be your default setting, just click Set as Default. Once you've made your selection, click OK to apply the changes. Your document will now adjust to the new paper size, and you can continue editing as needed. Remember, adjusting the paper size can affect your document's layout, so double-check everything is aligned the way you want. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.